So I just got my hair done, you guys. I got it relaxed. Yeah, I got it relaxed, steamed, and treated because my hair did a break real bad, super damaged, super dry, super brittle. So I'm trying to get it fixed because I want to wear my natural hair out more often. But I'm currently at my shipping company. I'm gonna go pick up some package, so let's go do that right now.
She said take your time, what's no rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said take your time, what's no rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke no red, be so cold in my blood.
So babe gone pick up the package. I pick up one, but I could carry all of them, so babe gone for the rest. But guys, we can't bother make the video today because I left the tripod at home and I can't shoot Brandy without tripod. It's not just like me just vlogging with my camera. So my weapon babe if we come with the rest of the package them so we can go home and do an unboxing for you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get some other package in a week where Amazon deliver to my home. That's for items that were eligible to be delivered here in Jamaica for free. So yeah, Zay get one new toy. Her auntie bought her a toy. Zay, it's so cute. But you find something more entertaining. You can spin the nose, Zay, like this. Oh, see baby, I come. See baby. No, this just look ridiculous. What am I doing baggy police them? No. What is that? What is it? A motorbike? Motorbicycle? But maybe I want to scooter away police there and I want to go buy for your birthday.
What is
I have no idea what it is, but I must want company send me it.
Yep, something for put by your abs or so for the move.
So what me I do with that?
So
Let's see, pull it up my machine.
try get to.
They always send me some foolishness, you know. No, this just look ridiculous. What am I doing baggy police them? No. What is that? What is it? A motorbicycle? But maybe I want to scooter away police there and I want to go buy for your birthday.
What is
I have no idea what it is, but I must want company send me it.
Yep, something for put by your abs or so for the move.
So what me I do with that?
So
Let's see, pull it up my machine.
try get to.
They always send me some foolishness, you know. I want me to do with abs massager. Are you sure now a regular massager?
Start recording.
Alright guys, let's do an unboxing. Let's start off with the smallest one. And there. This is for Zay. We got fork and spoon for her. So cute. And we got the matching plates as well from the same brand. Let me show you guys that first before. I think of the box right there. Yeah, me love unbox package, you know. Feel like a Christmas. Spending my big girl money. Should I say baby? Big boy money. Oh. The bread. Alright. So in this box, got a little wash. The girlies know what this is. And oh, these are Zay's balls. Well, we're not even excited to buy anything for Azalea anymore because Azalea is so picky. She pick it to a point where she might not even eat out her bowl and we'll buy it. Yep. Right now we have basins, we have bottles, but Azalea decides that she not drink out of them. Azalea stop drink tea, she not drink milk. We try with Alaska, she not drink it. Try with Milo, she not drink it. So Azalea officially not drink nothing warm. I don't know. So these are the little bowls for like when you make like pasta and soup and your little like acai bowl or something. But and you see them match, I see them color them like the furnace. So cute. Babe, take them here. They wash up the shoes. No, babe, they already know this. They already know this. They show me already unbox the set there with them because we buy with the base and stuff. And this is some bamboo pads. It's for a collab that I have with this brand. Super excited. What is it? Abella? Wow. Wow, yes. So this is for a collab, you guys. And this is also for a collab.
Okay, Mama, new plate.
Are you gonna eat out of it? Eat? Okay, well we see if she actually eats out because I'm not so faithful in it. Mama, I can't hold it while I unbox. Do you wanna sit on the bar stool? Sit right here. Sit down. Good job. Moving on to this. Oh, these are Zay's wipes. We normally Azalea. Lord God. Throw with it the wash. So we normally use the Manco's brand, but they no longer ship to Jamaica. And to ship wipes through shipping company, that will cost you an arm and a leg. Huh? Hold on. Azalea, sit down. You have to go back in your plating. Oh my God. Sit down. Azalea. So, as I say, Mom Cozy no longer ships to Jamaica and we love Mom Cozy wipes, but I'm trying out this brand to see if we like it. She's Azalea. Guys, may I send Azalea to stay with you? I can't manage her. Azalea, sit down. Okay. Oh, try to drop. You think some more? When people in your CDA take care, like Rosalie. I see the people in here, they treat their name for a CDA. Next thing you go up and get cocoa, they go call CDA for me. You want it to get from me? You want it to get from me? Go and go play in it. Go and go play. God. But this look really small though, guys. Let's see. So these are the wipes. They come in a small pack, but I guess no matter.
How much one over?
60. 60 coming
How much
out.
pack in there?
It look like 60. Probably 9. Come in, so 3, 9 pack of 60. And it is very cheap. Probably under $20 piece. So I'm gonna leave these in my storefront. So
How much Mom Cozy?
I don't remember this time I did the 2 case, I did buy a big case. But she didn't cost me about $50 or something like that. I don't remember. So these are the wipes. They come in a small pack, but I guess no matter. Moving on to the big boys. Yeah, I've been so excited to get these. I shouldn't even know. All I know one. Chad, it's my pot set. You know that. Alright. So one pot cover. Dark one? Guys. What is this? Guys, what is this? What you know, fried egg like this?
Mouse.
Me didn't know say something smart. What the hell? No, babe. No. What? Guys, it's cute, you know. So cute. It's from the Amazon Basics brand. I'm gonna link these in my storefront. But me didn't know say something small. Well, at the small one they do. We didn't expect the small one they would still be so small. Is it honestly? Alright. Babe, pick up this. Pick up your bus and give me. This is the other one. Boy, I saw a flower in this. I saw so. Yeah, this is the overview of all the pots and pans. Starting with this tiny one that can only fry an egg, a single egg. Then we have this other frying pan. Then this one, guys, their ceramic are really great quality. Great quality. And they were pretty affordable. Linked in my storefront, my Amazon storefront. Because it's from the Amazon Basics brand. Fabulous. I know it comes with this little steamer thing. So if you have vegetables that you want to steam, you know, I never know how to open this. I did buy one pack set for my mother. And I did try open this and slice my finger. I don't know how it opens. I'm going to plan TikTok if you have no video plan this. Or if you don't know, guys, how they open this, comment down below because the last time it sliced my finger. Moving on to the next big box. Bam. Bam. Ooh. This is a waffle maker, you guys. The store-bought waffles are ridiculous. Bam. Bam. Bring on to one of the things that I'm so excited about. Because I can start bake now, or should I say, finally I can start bake back. Guys, I love to bake. So I have one of the correct banana in there, so I'm going to buy like some stuff like chocolate chip and baking soda and something today in there. Baking soda. So, yeah, yeah, two of them. You put two of them in the baking powder and baking soda. So this is the next thing. It's a baking set. So this is the bread pan, bread tin. I don't know. I think this one is the pizza one. I don't know. This is the pizza one too. Guys, I don't know. But I remember what the listing said. This is the sheet now. Chopping my chicken them and so. And this one. Muffin tin. And this one. Another sheet. Then we cookies on this one. Yay! So excited, guys. We're gonna get cooking videos now. Cooking and baking videos. Of course. So they're about the dishes currently. So I bought pork chops then and I'm planning to cook pork chops for the first time. Do I have a recipe? Absolutely not. Do I know how to cook it? Nope, but I am going to cook pork chops with mashed potatoes and see how it tastes. I have no idea how it's going to come out. But yeah. Alright. So guys, I didn't sleep last night. A piece of pain in my knee. I don't know where it came from, but I'm heading to the doctor right now. I'm not sure what can be done about it, but last night I did not sleep and we can't go through that tonight again. So I'm gonna head to the doctor now, and then I also have a package to go pick up at my shipping company for a collaboration. So I'm gonna go to Ochi after. I'm gonna go to Ochi first, then go doctor, then Ochi. Go doctor, then Ochi, just in case.
Time kinda late. So maybe not get for the one of them.
Alright, I'll go down and doctor because hopefully don't do enough full and see.
What time now?
3:34.
Which our guy shipping company?
For shipping company now close until 6. I'm gonna think I spend 2.5 hours at doctor. Because probably I wanna probably do an x-ray. And I just gonna tell her about this issue I have with my shoulder them and done too, because like since growing up or when I was younger, both of my shoulders slipped out and I never really got any medical attention with them. So I can't stop. So because I've never got nice. So yeah, both of my shoulders slipped out, guys. So when I was like in primary, I didn't really get no medical attention, like going to the doctor or anything. And so sometimes them hurt me. So I just have to tell her about that since as a two joint issue. So if I x-ray how we need to do, I don't know. We can just do the one thing and do. Yeah. So that's the plan for today. It's already super late, but I don't know, guys. Just hoping that it's nothing serious. You know, it's all good slip out or something. Cause babe now have to see me walking up. At this tender age, I get old. Last night babe rub it. Babe, I'm elevated. Nothing at all the work. When I tell guys I get vexed, the car babe goes to me say, if me can't fix it one way, if you make it hurt me. And they say, what you mean? If there was a way to fix anything, when I do that, I don't dare attach myself with that pain. But let's see how that goes, guys. I'll give you guys an update when we're at the doctor. Currently in traffic because the one thing, no one here ever full of traffic. I don't know. Today a Friday still, so that's fair. Today a Friday. Yeah, it's expected. Ambulance are come. Ambulance are coming. Police watch them.
Bye.